So what's for dinner tonight, my darlings? Here's what I'm having for lunch, my darlings. I made this beautiful salad. It's got turkey in it, and it's turkey that is locally smoked. It's really good. I think I've shared it with you before. So I put turkey in it. There's romaine lettuce, spinach. Those little tomatoes are, if you can believe it, we actually are still getting some more tomatoes and peppers and things from our garden. I know in my last What's for Dinner Tonight I said that we were done, but we're not. I didn't realize. My husband keeps bringing stuff in. So those are our tomatoes. I put a little blue cheese on there, and there's radishes and cucumber in there. I don't know if you can see it, but so this is what I'm having for lunch, my darlings. Can't wait to dig in. Good. So what's for dinner tonight, my darlings? Well, you're looking at hot dogs, and I saved some of our chili, and I got cheese here, some grated cheese. I'm going to try to make chili dogs. I don't believe I've ever had a chili dog before, so this should be interesting. So stay tuned, and I'll show you how it turns out. So here you have it put together. And these little buns, if you call them buns, my hubby got from the Dollar Tree. They're Wonder Bread. I don't like them. I think he likes them. So anyways, here they are, my chili dogs. I'm going to put them under the broiler, and then we'll be back to see how it turns out. So here they are, my darlings, right out of the broiler. Sorry if my camera could focus. So we're going to try these, and I will let you know how they go. And let me know if you've had a chili dogs before, and if you make them, I'd love to hear and maybe how you do it. So this is what we're having for dinner tonight. Good. Well, we hope. What's for dinner tonight, my darlings? Look we're cooking up some bacon, and you're probably getting tired of me saying this, but we still have tomatoes from our garden that my hubby has already picked, and we got some radishes here, not from our garden, but the pepper is from, we're still getting peppers. So I'm going to be making toasted tomato bacon sandwiches for dinner tonight. So I gotta still chop up some lettuce and some cheese, and that's what we're having. So stay tuned, and I'll be back with the final how it looks for what's for dinner tonight. So here's my toasted tomato bacon sandwich for my supper tonight. You can see that. Oh, I can't wait to get into there. That's what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. Hope you're having a good one too. So here's what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. What you're looking at are egg rolls, and these were given to us by my mother-in-law. I guess she knows an owner she knows the owners of a Chinese restaurant, I guess, and this is where they got them. We actually have more, but this is all I'm making up for tonight, so I have to thank them. But I'm not, to be honest, Chinese food is not really my ultimate favorite. My husband and his family really love Chinese food, so we're having egg rolls, and I'm going to be making some rice to go along with it. And let me know down below if you like egg rolls. Oh, there's the oven ready to go. If you love egg rolls, let me know down below. I'd love to hear, and I'll let you know once it's all put together. So here it is, my darlings, what we're having for dinner tonight. Egg rolls with some rice. I put soy sauce on it, and this is a plum sauce to dip it in. So that's what we're having for dinner tonight. I'll have to let you know how they go. This is mine. My husband's gonna have a few, like, more. Anyways, this is what we're having for dinner tonight. Good. Gonna have some beets, pickled beets with it too. So here's what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. You're looking at the butternut squash. We're having this again. I got some these ready for the oven, and I was also given some homemade kale. So I thought I would just kind of toss them up in some olive oil, salt, pepper, and some Parmesan cheese and bake them. I think I've seen somebody do, like, make them kind of like into chips or something like that. So that's what I'm going to do, a few of those as well. Plus we're having some sausages. So I'll come back when it's all done. So here is how the kale looks. I know it's probably, maybe it's an odd combination, but we got to use it up. My husband, he won't eat the kale, so I'm just going to try it like this. I have had kale before. It's not my ultimate favorite, but we'll see how this turns out. So here's how the kale turned out, and I've already tried one. It was actually quite good, so I'll probably do the rest up like in this way that I told you. And here's what we're having for dinner tonight. Sausage in a bun and butternut squash, and I'm going to be having a few of these. So that is what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. Yum, yum, yum. Here's what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. I got some shrimp going here. Like, they don't take very long. And I got a pot of water hopefully boiling soon. And we're going to have, I'm going to be making a spaghetti. So that's what we're having for dinner tonight. I'll come back when it's all done up. Look at those shrimp. Here it is, my darlings. What's for dinner tonight? This is spaghetti with a spinach pesto that I had made with a cream sauce. And it's got roasted broccoli in there and with shrimp. So this is what we're having for dinner tonight. Good. Here's my breakfast. We got eggs that my husband gets from somebody he works with. They have a little farm, so they're free-run eggs, and some bacon and a sausage from the other night, and some orange slices. And this is what I'm having for breakfast. Good. And here's what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. Like a little fish burger with the coleslaw on the top and a hash brown. And this would be really easy. This is a haddock fish, and we like the President's Choice. But I'm sure you can get haddock in, like in the States. Pick your favorite haddock. And then I do have a little bit of mayo on there, and then coleslaw's somewhat easy to make, but we had this store-bought, so I just mixed it with some coleslaw dressing, and then that's a hash brown that I cut in half. So that's what we're having for tonight's dinner. Easy peasy. Hello, my beautiful darlings, and here is what I made for my lunch today. A little garden salad with some turkey. This is our local a locally smoked turkey. It's really, really good. I've shared it with you before. And I've just got some lettuce, a little bit of shred of cabbage, and like red cabbage, white cabbage, and carrot, and a little blue cheese, and some radishes. Just the blue cheese. This is what I'm having for lunch today, my darlings. I can't wait. Yum, yum, yum. Hope you're having a good one. What's for dinner tonight, my darlings? Spaghetti and meatball night. Good. Yum, yum, yum. And those are sirloin meatballs. I didn't make them, but they're from President's Choice, and they're very, very good. I did do the spaghetti and the sauce by scratch. So that's what we're having for dinner tonight, my darlings. I wish you were here to have some. Good. Spaghetti and meatballs. Manje, manje.